Alright, we're gonna go and fire this thing up and hook up to the little yard trailer we got behind the barn here. Gotta wait for the wait light to go off, glow plugs turn off. Let it run for a minute. Right. So to get back up this hill, usually I go ahead and put it into four-wheel drive. So put it in neutral. I think 4 high will work. Drop it 4 high and go in reverse. Oh. There we go. That should be good. For low, works probably a little bit better, but it doesn't sound as good. So, let's see. I guess I could have come back a little bit further, but let's see. Got a brick under one of these wheels. Hard to do with just hand. There we go. There, the engine just dropped down to its normal idle. Idles faster when it's cold until it reaches a certain temperature. There we go. We're gonna move our cinder block. Alrighty. Make this turn here. Doesn't exactly have a tight turn radius. Alright. I got the little wood pile. We're not gonna make it. Let's go ahead and back her up a little bit. Open out the jackknife of the trailer. Oops. There we go. Back up the trailer now. Hold on. Just gotta do a little work on the trailer. Bring it up by the garage, make it a little easier. There we go. Oh. back it into a car though. Alrighty. That'll do it there. Alright, well, I just put in the last two bolts here on this new decking. It's just some cedar that we had left over. Miscounted the first time when I went to the Home Depot, so I finally went there yesterday and got a whole 2 more. So just bolted them down, and so this thing's all good to go. So let's go ahead and just take our arm back. I had to take it off the hitch so I could get under it because one of the bolts in the middle needed to get installed. That just made it easier to crawl under there. So let's put her back. Plugs are on, it looks like. And we didn't really get up top. There we go. Starts up nice. Still in 4 high. That won't hurt us. Just make the turn here. Oop. I was saying earlier about it sounds better in 4 high. It's just because than 4 low. It's just because you got to rev the engine up a little bit higher to push it up. So that's to me that sounds much better. We're gonna try it in 4 low this time, just for the sake of completion. 4 low is all the way forward. We can drop her in and see if we can get this first try. There we go. Gonna go between those orange cones. Alright, and we're gonna wanna straight a little bit longer, and now we're gonna cut it. See it in this mirror here. Oh, too far. Trying to look in the camera and drive at the same time. It's never good. Now we're gonna bump our cinder block. Let's try that again. Pull forward. Not so easy. One-handed, but let's see. There we go. All right, there we go. Liking that. Snug her right in there. I think we're back far enough. Not exactly straight, but we can fix that. Let's get our brick ready. Put that there. Get our cinder block right about there. Didn't get the brick in the right spot. This is a precarious balance we got. I'll scoot up this cinder block. Hopefully that'll hold. Get back here. Probably push the trailer up a little too far, but I'll fix that in a minute. I mean, let's go put the truck back. All right. Definitely don't want to take it out of 4 low before we get off the grass here. All right, get some sharp turns. You know what? Let's go ahead and do that now that we're on flat ground. Straighten out them wheels with neutral. Too high is going to be fine for now. Make this turn. Alright. Back her up a little bit. Try to get it right on the edge of this pad and make some more space for other vehicles. Let's see. There we go, a little bumpy. And I think we're good. Alright.